Hello guys, I'm Pratiksha and I hope you all are doing really well. I am All India rank 48 and 83 in GATE and I have appeared for engineering services interview. Now this video is about what you should be doing now. GATE and engineering services examination both are done. And I know that this is the toughest part of your whole journey. It's tough for the ones whose paper was good and also for the ones who could not do as expected. For both people, this is the most difficult phase. For the ones who think they have done good, the anxiety is about marks, the anxiety is about ranks. The ones who could not do well, the anxiety is all about what next. And in this video, I'll try to shape what you should be thinking based upon whether you were able to stick on to your expectation or not. Up till at least you have your exams, what your mind frame should be, something I'll be talking, since I too have gone through similar situations in the past. So let's get started. Now, irrespective of what you have done, couple of questions. I want you people to understand that this time you should, this 1 week at least, the next week you should focus on introspection. Despite what you are scoring, it should go into introspection. You should understand what was your mistake, if you have committed any, what challenges you faced, and what were your good deeds, positives, which you have acquired in past 1 year is something you should be focusing on in the next 1 week. You should ask yourself few questions. If you are able to give answer to all this question, starting from why I started, this is the most important question. Why I started, most important question. What is stopping me, and was I giving or did I give my best? If all the answers are in your favor, if this answer in particular says that yes, you did give your best, trust me, I don't think any reason for you to not score good. And once this introspection is done, look at your marks, okay, depending upon your past strength. So look at any of the keys from the market. So look at key. Soon you will be getting your answer sheets. You'll get your answer sheets. Look at that. Look at the key which coaching institutes are giving. And then try to find out your marks. Okay, roughly you'll get. So there will be just a deviation of, let's say, plus or minus 3 marks from the coaching. Okay, there will not be huge deviation. Generally, that is the trend which I have seen most of the times. So once that is done, based upon your marks, whatever marks you are scoring, try to see the opportunities which you can get, whether you can get NITs. In NITs also, based upon your marks and categories. So marks and category is something you should be mapping upon. Based upon these two things, you should be seeing whether you are getting NITs, whether you are getting IITs, whether you are getting PSUs. Also, you should be seeing NITs, IITs, PSUs, and then branches, in particular NITs. PSUs, what you really want to do, what you want to achieve in case you have such marks. And in any case, if you want to have, like, if you belong to any of the categories, apart from open general category, if you belong to any specific category, any other than general, please look at your certificates. Okay, so try to arrange your certificates before your application and other procedures start. So you have some time, you have around 1.5 months for the whole process to start. So in this time, try to arrange the certificates. Try to do research about, whether you are fit for NIT or IIT or PSU. And please look at the data. Please look at the branches you would get. Please look at, what are the future options, etc. And please do not get disheartened, okay, based upon your marks. So your marks could be anything, ranging from, just qualify to maybe topper ka range. It could be anything, but based upon whatever your level is, whatever, for these people also you might get some NIT mein lower branch possible. No issues. You can get lower branches. For topper, though, there is ample of opportunities. So see, please try to maximize your, maximize your attempt, try to see maximal possible opportunities. So once the forms are out and once you get into the whole momentum, there will not be any time left for you to do research. So this is the best time you should be utilizing. So majorly my whole point is you should be wasting your time or utilizing your time at this point, especially the next 15 to 20 days should go only in two things: introspection and your plans ahead. Okay, what you really want to do. So introspection and plan ahead. And second thing should go in research. Okay, research about your colleges, future options. I know that this time is tough. I know this is a very brutal time. This is one of the tough time for everyone, literally for everyone. But see, this is the only time of the year where you have some 15-20 days in which you have freedom. You have freedom to do anything. So I want you to utilize it to maximize opportunities based upon your levels. So do research about yourself also, and also what opportunities lies based upon your marks and categories. Arrange your certificates and ask yourself the particular question: why you started? Did you give your best? What stopped you from not giving your best? Was it a fear? If you are conceptually weak, look for, in case you are scoring very less marks and you're conceptually weak, probably you have to join something, right? So look for the coachings in case you want to. If you have done brilliantly well, congratulations. Look for the branches which would be best for you. And in this direction, I would really wish you people to spend your next 15 to 20 days. With this note, I would want to say or take a leave. I would say thank you. Do not worry. This is tough time for everyone. Wait for your results, and meanwhile, the only thing in your hand is utilize this 15 to 20 days. Fine. And do let me know what kind of help you people require. Of course, I'll be coming up with a schedule or plans which you should be following in 2027 for the ones who are preparing again in terms of GATE and ESE. But till then, please take time and think about your future plans. Best luck, guys. See you in the very next video. Thank you.